Welcome students. I am MS Gautam, working as a professor in mechanical engineering in an engineering college in Hyderabad, India. I am trying to explain two typical problems from engineering graphics, commonly known as engineering drawing or technical drawing. It is our experience that in engineering graphics, normally the projections of straight lines is a very typical, tricky topic. Any student who can understand projection of straight lines can easily understand the further topics of engineering graphics or engineering drawing. I am trying to take two typical examples and solve the problems for you theoretically and practically on the drawing sheet so that you can understand exactly how to understand a question, how to approach a question, how to construct a solution, and then finally look at the graphical solution. Please understand this question. The end of a straight line AB is the end A of a straight line AB is in the horizontal plane and 25 mm behind the vertical plane. The end B is in the vertical plane and 50 mm above the horizontal plane. The distance between the end projectors is 75 mm. Draw projections of AB and determine its true length and true inclinations. Now, any typical problem on engineering graphics, please look at the given data into two parts. What is the data given with respect to the horizontal plane and what is the data given with respect to the vertical plane? Now, when we look at this, there are two ends of a straight line. End A is in the horizontal plane and 25 mm behind the vertical plane, which means, suppose if this is our horizontal plane and this is our vertical plane, the point is on horizontal plane or in horizontal plane and this distance behind the vertical plane is 25 mm, which means the given end A is actually in third quadrant or third angle. And as we know, in third quadrant, your top view will be above the reference line XY and your front view will be below the reference line X. Now look at the other end of the straight line. It is in vertical plane and 50 mm above the horizontal plane. Which means your second end of the straight line, the other end of the straight line B is in vertical plane and it is 50 mm above the horizontal plane. Which means this end of the straight line, the end B of the straight line is actually in first quadrant. And where we get our front view above the reference line XY and top view below the reference line XY. So, in a sense, our straight line is positioned like this. This is the straight line for which we are supposed to draw the projections and then determine the true length of the straight line and the true inclinations of the straight line with horizontal plane and with vertical plane. Now, let us see how exactly we proceed with this solution. Now, before we take up the actual graphical solution on the drawing sheet, let us try to understand how exactly our front view and top view of the straight lines to be constructed on the drawing sheet. Now, as we all know, in engineering graphics, any dimension, or I may say any distance of an object from horizontal plane or any position of the object from horizontal plane is always represented in the front view. Now, here the end A of the straight line is in horizontal plane. Now, please remember, the straight line is the point A, the end A is in HP. That means distance of the point A from horizontal plane is 0 when it is resting on horizontal plane. We say any distance of the object from horizontal plane is represented in the front view. Now, if the distance of the object from horizontal plane is 0, then the distance of the front view from XY will also be 0, which means the front view of this point A, or one end of the straight line A, will lie on XY. So, A dash lies on XY. I am also telling you the reason. This is because your original point A is in horizontal plane. Then, your other end of the straight line B is 50 mm above the horizontal plane. So that is another distance of the object given with respect to horizontal plane. And we say any distance of the object from horizontal plane is represented in the front view. Therefore, the second end of the straight line, that is B dash, will be 50 mm above XY. Again, this is because B is in first quadrant and 50 mm from horizontal plane. Now let us look at the conditions of the two ends of this straight line with respect to the vertical plane. Now, end A is 25 mm from vertical plane. And again, the fundamental rule says that any distance of the object from the vertical plane must be represented in the top view. So, the top view of point B, the top view of point A will be 25 mm above XY. Please remember, the original point A is in third quadrant, where we get the top view above the reference line and front view is below the reference line. Then the other end of the straight line B, the top view of B, any distance from the vertical plane is represented in the top view. Now the point is on vertical plane. The point is on vertical plane, which means the distance of the point from vertical plane is 0, and we say any distance from vertical plane must go to top view. So if the distance of the point from vertical plane is 0, the distance of its top view from the reference line will also be 0. So this point B lies on xy because your original point B is in vertical plane. Now, this is the position of the front view of the straight line, the two ends of the straight line, and this is the top view position for the two ends of the straight line. Now let us see how exactly we represent them on the drawing sheet. Right. Again. Now first let us take the reference line xy. There are 2 points, end A of the straight line and end B of the straight line. So we are supposed to draw the front view and top view for end A and front view and top view for end B. And the fundamental rule in engineering graphics says the front view and top view of a given point must always lie on the same line of projection. So first draw 2 lines of projections. So the top view and front view of end A will lie on this line of projection. The top view and front view of end B will lie on this line of projection. And the data given says that the distance between these 2 end projectors is 75 mm. So keep the distance at 75, horizontal distance. Now, first project the front view of point A. We said the front view of point A will be on xy because the point is in horizontal plane. And point A is in third angle or third quadrant. And in the beginning we said in third quadrant you get your front view below the reference line xy. So the front view must be below reference line xy, and because it is in HP it will lie on xy, which means mark B dash on xy, but name the point below xy because the point is in third angle or third quadrant. Now, the top view of this point we said will be 25 mm